New tonight, in just a few days, survivors of human trafficking can start moving into a new place of hope here in Columbus called Harriet's Hope.
Developers and partners today announced the opening of this new supportive housing community. 10 TV's Doug Petcash is live in Columbus to tell us more about what it's going to offer. Doug.
Tracy and Andrew, the location of Harriet's Hope is being left undisclosed for the safety of those who will be living there. But hope is exactly what the partners in this project say those human trafficking survivors will find when they move in.
My last data shows us that Columbus is number 5 in the nation for human trafficking incidents. And so this is just not something that we can afford to ignore.
Beacon 360 CEO Celia Kendall says her company focuses on developing communities for people who have experienced complex trauma, including human trafficking. Enter Harriet's Hope. While its location is undisclosed, we can show you this rendering of what it looks like. Harriet's Hope will have 52 apartments for human trafficking survivors. At a news conference Monday morning, public, private, and nonprofit partners announced it is opening this week. It will provide a range of services, including medical and mental health care, addiction recovery services, as well as job skills training. Most importantly, it will provide stable, affordable housing, something Attorney General Dave Yost says victims are not afforded.
Very frequently, you don't have any place to live because your trafficker has made sure that you're dependent for food, shelter, just to get out of the cold.
Kendall says human trafficking survivors had a hand in every element of the project's design, from the color scheme to the flooring to the cabinetry.
I know many survivors whose paths I've crossed, bringing this community to life, and I'm excited that we're able to do this for them and that their voices were able to be heard in this community.
CVS Health invested $10.6 million of the project's $15.6 million cost.
We know that the first step in improving people's health and well-being is to allow them to have access to quality and safe, affordable housing.
For our survivors, having the opportunity to rebuild their lives, that's something much more than merely exiting the life.
The Salvation Army of Central Ohio tells me they helped 850 human trafficking survivors over the 12-month period that ended in September. And the Salvation Army will be doing intake and case management for Harriet's Hope. And by the way, Harriet's Hope is named after Harriet Tubman, who of course helped so many people escape slavery in the South. In Columbus, Doug Petcash, 10 TV News.